All right, guys, you're welcome back with that short video I created last on how you can fast track your items and how you can remind a seller on how to remind a seller to ship your product on time. And before that time, I also recorded a video on how you can use your ATM card and virtual card to make a payment instead of you going through the stress of you paying someone to help you pay for this item, buy them on your behalf. These are things you can do yourself without informing or involving any third party, right? So I have my complete course. If you want to go for them, you can reach me out on these numbers displaying on your screen right now. So now this is my this is my Taobao account. Like I always say, is a neighboring website to 1688, right? So these are items that are very nice and they are okay, they are fine, they are matured. So now I've managed to buy a product. And this product is an AirPod. So let me just show you guys. This is my profile here. You click on this my profile here. So if you want me to help you run a Facebook advert, you want to do a retargeting, you want to target people at your niche, like people that are in need of all those things, I can help you do that, and I can also teach you how to do it yourself. So now where you are seeing this one icon here, this is the item I bought and I want to ask for a refund on this item. So let's assume I want to put you in my shoe now, and I also want to put myself in your shoe. Let's assume you are the one in this issue. You're having issue with your supplier and you want to help yourself to ask for a refund and you don't know how to get it done. So these are simple method I'm going to be showing you right now. So you click on the item you've bought. If this is your first time, please do well to subscribe as you're watching that video. It's free to subscribe, guys. So now this is a simple page where your order, any order that you've bought, this is where you are going to be seeing them. Now let me do a simple screenshot here. I want to show you this translation. You know, this is a Chinese website, right? Now I come to my Google Translator here, then open this guy here to translate everything. Okay, so now you can see that this buyer has paid. This simply means that I've paid for this item and I used my card. So you can see that this item has already been bought, right? The buyer has paid and you can see the amounts. I paid with my virtual card without even using any Alipay. So this is making importation easy. This is making importation very easy for us, right? So now I've paid for this item. I've managed to pay for this item, right? So now you can see that this is just an AirPod. You can see that this is the day that this item is going to be delivered, and under it we have expected delivery, and under it we have change address. So what you want to do is to click on this item to see the breakdown. So let me go back to my Alipay now. You click on this guy here and it's going to take you to the complete breakdown of your order, where you are going to be seeing your tracking ID and all that. Let me just click on this drop down arrow here. You can see that everything is in here. This is the tracking number for this product, and this is the charges. We have the charges for local shipping fee, and we have the everything that you need to know about this product is here. So now what you want to do, this is the certain place we are going to be asking for a refund. I understand the fact that some suppliers might be funny and all that. They might delay you, they might do this, they might do that, and you want this item to deliver. You've reminded this seller time store number and they are not delivering your product. This has pissed you off and wants you to ask for a refund. Maybe that is part of why you are watching this video. So now this is what I'm going to be showing you now. So guys, let's screenshot and then go back to our Google Translator. So you cancel this guy, you upload. This is simple tools I'm using. You can as well use it. If you are using your Android phone, you can just download iTranslator. It's a very nice app. But this Google Translator also works perfectly on iOS, which is iPhones, right? So as you're watching this video, if you have gained one or two things, please do well to subscribe. Please, I beg you to subscribe, like that video and share it. Turn on the notification bell so YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I post another helpful content. So now this is where you get to ask for the refund. Now let me just zoom in. You can see that this is the pay processing fee. You can see that they charge me for 0.00 US dollar, 0.0044 cents. Is not up to $1 because I used my card, and this is the amount. You can see everything here. Real payment is 1.32. So you can see that this is my order number. It is also called tracking number, and you can see that this is the day I make this payment and all that, right? So here where you are seeing refund, you click on it. This is where we are going to be asking for this refund. And one thing I love about these people is the same method you use to pay that payment, that is the same method they are going to use to refund you. Right? Now let me put it into practical. Zion is always a talk and do. That is more reason you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now let's go. We have this. Let me just drag this one down. So now this is where you are going to be clicking. You click on this refund here, and automatically this page will pop up. All right, which is going to be confirming if you want to ask, if you really mean that you wanted to ask for a refund. Now let me screenshot for you again, that for you to be sure, let me show you. You can see that this is what we have here. This is retweet. Excellent reputation, enjoy fast arrival. Now this product has not been shipped, and this refund will enjoy the fast instant refund services that has not been sent. Now this is very, very simple and straightforward, in the sense that this item has not been shipped. You can easily ask for refund, and they will definitely do that. Even if you have already, if this supplier has already shipped out this item, right, you can still ask for a refund. You know, we have two types of refund now. The first one is refund before sales. This is what we are doing now, and this item has not been shipped, it has not been delivered. It is called refund before sales. And the second one is called refund after sales. After this item has been delivered, you did not like it, you can also ask for a refund. Or this item got damaged at the process. Maybe the shipping company told you that this item has been damaged before it gets here, or something got broken, right? Maybe you order for sunglasses and the lenses got broken. You can always ask for your refund after 6. So these are two types of refund we have, and the first one is what we are making use of. So now this is where you are going to be clicking confirm refund. So let's quickly go back now and click on this guy here to confirm our refund. The total amount is 8.80 yuan. So I click on this guy here, and clicking on it will take you to this page, right? So you can see that this has already marked, and this is another breakdown of this order. You can see that we have everything here. Now guys, don't worry, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Now we need to screenshot again, and I'm going to make another example for you. Now I do my screenshots and go back to this guy here called my Google Translator and translate this guy for me. So you can see that this refund is successful, and this is the amount they refund. Verify where the money went. If you want to confirm where it's being sent to and how it's being sent and when you are going to get your money, this is when you are going to be making use of verify where the money sent. You can see that this money, you can see refund successful. This money has already been refunded, and I'm still going to show you. Now you can see that this is where you see refund, reason for refund. You can write it here, right? And the amount and application time, refund number. These are things you need to know. All right, so now let's go back to this guy here and simply click on this guy. You can see that this is the breakdown of your refund, the time they are going to be delivering this item, this money, the time they are going to be delivering it. In some times, in some cases, it is immediately, nearly immediately, like instant. but in some other cases it takes some days, like some hours, like 16 hour, 1 working day, or 24 working hours. Now let's screenshot this guy. I want you to understand what I'm saying. So it won't be like this guy is doing magic on all that. Now this is the breakdown of this order. Seller refund. You can see that the merchant refund, they are submitted to the bank for processing, and refund will usually be returned to the original routes, right? And bank acceptance is expected. Now don't let me just waste your time. What they are trying to say is, I told you I make this payment via my virtual card. If at all I used Alipay, I'm going to be assuring you that this payment will drop back to my Alipay immediately without any stress. Now it is virtual card that I use to make this payment. So they are going to process this payment. Taobao will process this payment and refund my money back to me. Do you get it? So that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. So at this point, we need to go back to my dollar virtual card. I use Clasher so to make this payment. So we need to go back and check if they have refunded this money, or although they give me the time here, maybe tomorrow, that they are before tomorrow I'm going to get the money. So let me click on this guy so and go back. So let me just go back now and let's go and check our Clasher virtual card. If this, you can see that before now we have one here and the one has already been removed, right? So let's head over to our Clasher app. This is my Clasher app. I have my own Clasher app here. I already recorded a video on how to create a virtual dollar card with Clasher and how you can fund it at bank rates. Okay, so let's see what we have in my virtual dollar card. You can see that we have $6.71, and let me refresh it. If they've refunded our money, they haven't refunded it. Let me see. Let me click on see all transactions. So you can see that these are transactions that I've done. I funded this card today, $5. So let's wait for these guys to refund this money. Maybe I'll post this video, I'll pause it, but I think I've already shown you the screenshots that the refund is successful, right? So in this case, it's likely it takes some maybe 24 hours working day before they refund this money, due to the fact that I make the payment via my virtual card. All right, so please, if you have gained one or two things in this video you've just watched, do well to comment, do well to like that video, share to your students, let them learn. It is important you let them learn. So if you're having any issues based on what I've talked about, or you need a consultation, you want me to mentor you on some issues that have to do with making money online, virtual card, importation, these are my numbers on the screen. So do well to reach me out. I'll definitely be there to attend to you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video.